Hello everybody, hope you're fine. In this video I'm connecting two domains to one website. This is a website from a client. The domain name which we have used here is aflanca.lk. This is a domain name. We also have another domain which is aflanca.com. Here it is. We bought it from the Namecheap. So what we are doing is that we are connecting these two domains to this one website. So whenever someone is typing aflanca.lk or aflanca.com, both should be redirected to this website. Just log into your domain provider, click on domain list. In our case, our domain provider is Namecheap, and our hosting provider is Hostinger. This is the website where we are hosting in Hostinger. Click on domain list. This is a domain that we have. Click on manage. In the domain section, scroll down. Before we redirect the domain, make sure that the name servers are from the domain provider. In our case, it is the Namecheap Basic DNS. Previously, I pointed this domain to Hostinger name servers. So in that case, Hostinger will manage the DNS setting for your domain. You will not be able to do that from here. So make sure that the name servers are the basic DNS and click save. And right here, redirect the domain. In here you can add redirect domain, or you scroll up, you can go to advanced DNS settings. Alright, scroll down. What we are doing is we are just adding what? Adding a URL redirect, and the host can be www and the destination can be www.aflanca.lk. Let me copy the URL from here. It will include everything. Yes, here it is, https aflanca.lk. So whenever someone is typing www.aflanca.com, it will be redirected to aflanca.lk. And now it is unmasked. So whenever someone is typing aflanca.lk.com, it will show aflanca.lk on the URL. So we are just saying mask. Now whenever someone is typing www.aflanca.com, it will show the exact same thing in the URL section. Save changes, and we need to add another record. This one should be again URL redirect record, and this one the host you can type at. It means that whenever someone is typing only aflanca.com, not www.aflanca.com, in that case also it should be redirected to aflanca.lk and it should be masked. And save changes. Alright, so this is all. It's not very complicated. Now it will take around sometimes, in some cases it will take around few hours, up to 24 hours to propagate the domain name Aflanca across the internet, aflanca.com and aflanca.lk. And after that, whenever your clients, your visitor is typing aflanca.com or aflanca.lk, it doesn't matter, it will redirect both of them to this website. Alright, then let me try once. www.aflanca.com. Sometimes it is fast. Yeah, it's quite fast now, and it is masked when the people are typing aflanca.com, or simply not www. If someone type aflanca.lk, no, aflanca.com, aflanca.com, it should redirect to aflanca.lk. Yeah, here it is. This is about the SSL certificate. You can install it later. Okay, thank you very much.